come from. It's cornbread and chicken where I come from. A lot of front porch picking where I come from. Trying to make a living, working hard to get to heaven where I come from.